The horse industry is about 10 years behind the rest of the business world when it comes to technology. And right now, AI is about to create and is creating the biggest gap we've ever seen in horse businesses that grow and horse businesses that are going to slowly disappear. If you own a barn, train horses, sell equine products, or really do anything in the horse industry, you really need to understand what's happening. So buckle up and let's get into this. But also first, if you didn't know me and we haven't met yet, my name is Jamie Samples, founder of Yellow Barn Media, and I help horse businesses turn scattered marketing into structured growth using modern tools, simple systems, and practical strategies that actually work in the real horse world. And this channel, Horse Business Tips, is where I teach you how to build a stronger, more profitable horse business without losing the heart of horsemanship in the process. So if you care about your horses and the future of your business and the equine industry, you're in the right place. Most horse businesses, we know, are incredible at what they do, whether it's training horses, teaching riders, creating products that make it easier and better for horse owners to live and do better with their horses. You know where I'm going with this. When it comes to marketing and business systems, a lot of barns, a lot of businesses are still using like random Facebook posts, text messages, notebooks, and might I say excuses like I'll get to that later, or it doesn't apply to me, or I don't like AI, I'm not going to adapt to it, and I'm just not going to do that. Meanwhile, other businesses in other industries are using AI to do things like write their marketing content, plan their content calendars, respond to customers, build systems, create social content. When I mention AI to people, especially in the horse industry, they're like, robots are going to take over the world, and their brain explodes and they're like, I'm not techie, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to be at the barn, hanging out with my horses, and someone will just find me for my training services. They will just find my product randomly. No, they won't. You've got to reframe your thinking about how you think of AI. Think of it as your smartest assistant ever with like this huge brain, okay? You can ask your AI things like, write a welcome email for my new lesson students. Give me 30 or 60 Instagram post ideas for a equine supplement company or a wellness practitioner. Whoever you are, whatever you do, tell AI what you want it to do and ask it to spit out the right information. Maybe it's, help me explain this supplement that I have, this new supplement, to my customers at like a 5th grade level. And guess what? It does that. It does it in seconds. Every idea that it gives you is probably not going to be perfect, but I will tell you, AI is like a cattle prod to the rump, if you know what I mean. It gets you started, and the feedback that I've received over the last 20 years from most everyone I've talked to, whether it's at a horse expo, someone on the phone, getting started is sometimes the biggest hurdle to digital marketing in this industry. Because many of you, again, might I say this again, you're really great at what you do, but digital marketing either scares you, you don't want to have anything to do with it, you don't want to adapt to it. Where most horse business are losing time. Most of them are losing time coming up with ideas for social media posts, answering the exact same questions for clients over and over and over, writing emails, creating lesson descriptions for their website or blogs for their website, explaining services yet over and over and over again to your audience. I want you to know AI can handle like 80% of that. I own a full service equine marketing agency. And although there are some clients of mine that are like, hey, we're not going to have you do this anymore. We're going to have AI do it. They've taken my AI course and they know how to use it. And I'm like, be on your merry way and best of luck. I want to make sure to empower you to realize that even if you have a small budget and you can't hire a full service marketing agency, you've got to do better in marketing. You have to do better for the longevity of what you're doing personally in your business, but also the equine industry. If AI is handling 80% of your tasks, or let's just say 50%, I don't think anyone watching this is like, yes, I have all the time in the world and I don't know what I'm going to do with the next 7 hours. No, we all have it planned out. We never have enough time, right? The next generation of horse businesses that are successful will do two things. You're going to stay incredible horsemen and horsewomen within the industry, but you're also going to find tools that multiply your time. If you don't do that, you're going to get left behind. ChatGPT or Claude or any of these AI tools, they're not going to replace you. They can't. There's no robot that's going to get on a horse, that's going to start a business. Like it can't replace you. But horse trainers that are using AI, they absolutely, and not just horse trainers, but anyone in the industry, right? Anyone in the industry, They absolutely will replace, they 100% will replace the ones that are refusing to learn it. The ones that are like, I ain't doing this. If you want to learn how to actually use AI in your horse business, I want to encourage you and let you know I'm starting a full series on this channel teaching exactly how to do it. Subscribe to this channel today to get the notifications of when each new video hits the channel. Because here's the thing, the horse industry is about to change and I want to help you get ahead of it. We can't just rely on all the things, well, we did this in the past. You've got to adapt to the new things that are coming, especially as it relates to digital marketing. Also, feel free, I mentioned it earlier in the video, to head over to my website, click on the courses tab and grab my AI mini course. I created it specifically for the horse industry. It's not a generic course. It is jam-packed with exactly what you need to do the first time you open ChatGPT or the first time you open Claude. It has step-by-step instructions on how to get started on AI. And even better yet, it has an entire library of prompts so you can get started today and be pushing out content before the end of the week. So it's easy peasy, okay? So I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Have a good one.